Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to optimize OBS for Twitch streaming step by step. So let's get started. First, download and install the latest version of OBS Studio from the official website. Once it's installed, open the app and let's dive into the settings. Click on Settings in the lower right corner. Under the Stream tab, select Twitch as your service. Then go to Twitch Inspector or use the Auto Configuration Wizard under the Tools menu to let OBS automatically detect the base settings for your internet speed and hardware. Next, go to the Output tab. Set your output mode to Advanced for more control. For video bitrate, a good starting point is 6000 kbps for 1080p streaming, but adjust based on your upload speed. Use the NVENC new encoder if you have an NVIDIA GPU or X264 if you're using a CPU encoding. In the Video tab, set your base canvas resolution to your screen native resolution. Examples like 1920 x 1080, which means 120 pixel. Your output resolution 20x by 70 or 1920 x 1080, depending on your bitrate. Set your FPS to 60 for smooth gameplay or 30 if your system struggles. Now, set up your screen and sources. Add your game capture, webcam, microphone, and overlays. Use display capture sparingly is more resource intensive. Finally, test your stream with the start streaming to Twitch in offline mode. Check for dropped frames or lag in the OBS status bar. Pro tip: close background apps and games launcher like Steam or overlays to free up resources. And that's it. You've just optimized OBS for a smooth Twitch stream. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming tips. Let me know in the comments your Twitch channel in desktop and I'll stop by. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.